Looking for a reliable dumpster rental in Carleton, Michigan? Look no further than Wickenheiser Waste LLC. Wickenheiser Waste LLC offers homeowners, contractors, and businesses top-notch waste management solutions. We prioritize smooth project execution with timely delivery and efficient pickup services. Whether you're dealing with a small home cleanout or a large construction project, we have the perfect dumpster. We offer a range of dumpsters to meet your needs, whether a small home cleanout or a large construction project. Our friendly and professional team is available to assist you every step of the way. We'll help you choose the right dumpster size, answer any questions, and ensure your seamless rental experience. Choose Wickenheiser Waste LLC as your waste management partner, and we will simplify your projects and make waste disposal effortless. To learn more about our services and reserve your dumpster rental, please visit our website at www.wickwaste.com. You can also reach us by phone at 734-770-9689, and let us handle your waste management needs. Wickenheiser Waste LLC, your trusted partner for dumpster rental in Carleton, Michigan.